AI has arrived big, so with the big models and everything. We believe we're going to see much more smaller models, individual ones, really kind of cut to your use case, to your need.
It's ChatGPT. It's a huge model that delivers a lot of answers based upon a massive amount of data. Our belief is, where does that meet business value?
That's also the recent acquisition we've just announced with Neural Magic. It's really about optimizing those models, making them smaller.
And so we have been very focused on looking at how does a company take a smaller model, but that is focused on the business value that the customer is looking for and uses their own data to do so.
Great momentum. I think a lot of enthusiasm in the market, a lot of people are trying around, and now comes reality. Because how do I save money? How do I get the business case really working? How can I expand it in a broader term? And that's the moment we are right now. And we see a lot of business lines like finance departments, operations, support, customer service, really picking it up and really delivering now the value as well.
Small and mid-sized company in Switzerland has a unique opportunity also in 2025. Why? Because AI is here, now has the opportunity to leverage their business models globally. What you have to tackle is you have to look about your technology stack. It should be in the cloud and also open source.
It's a really huge potential. There are over 1 million open models on Hugging Face, and it's really assets which we can use when we actually approach this method of open AI models.
Take this advantage to your own advantage.
So think about the world today, 100% is applications. Tomorrow, the app's going to stay there, yes, of course. There's going to be much more models. It's going to be 50-50, and for this you need a platform to manage everything.
Your team has amazing expertise in an industry vertical. You know how you want your company to engage with a customer. You can now use InstructLab to take natural language input, expertise from your team. They can just enter it in like they would speak to you. That will then kick off a set of synthetic data that will tune that model to be very tailored to that expertise that your team has provided.
Regarding to AI and data privacy, it's very important to understand that you do not lose all the innovation power if you go for a full security package.
I believe that Switzerland is an AI boutique.
I'm sure it will pick up enormously, very similar to cloud. It will take a wee bit longer, yes it will, that's Switzerland as well, but then it goes steep.
It's not as easy always, and there's a lot of complexity in convincing the people, finding the stakeholders from business and IT to really make a difference. We're there now, and it's a great place to be.
We have one of the best infrastructure, we have the best talents, the greatest universities.
I see many new ways of working, opportunities with AI, and equally really new business models for our economy.
Together in a strong ecosystem, we can do it.
The role of AI for Swiss economic growth is clearly when we start to use agents for the specific workloads. In the future, we will see somehow a battle of agents. We will see that much agents, and we will see basically from an economical perspective that there will be a fight between the agents and who one is the best.